Yung gusto kasi ng iba, paniwalaan natin na sa Pangulo ang nag-utos mag-insert. But it doesn't make sense to me, Mr. President. That's why I'm trying to explain this to our colleagues and to the members of the DBCC family para maliwanagan naman natin, and in the presence of the media, maliwanagan naman natin na hindi kasama ang Pangulo. Kasi, yan, common sense. Siya nag-utos, ibibito niya. Siya nag-utos, i-FLR niya.
Interjection, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Just for clarity, the handwritten note, letter was given to the President yesterday.
As I think Monday, Mr. President. Yesterday.
And
At 2 p.m.
And thereafter, he asked
There
for
were resignations.
he asked for the resignation.
In this case, Mr. President, courtesy resignation is a euphemism for firing.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
You know, Mr. President, the President is a very kind-hearted person. You know, I would have suggested to the person who brought to the President or delivered to the President the handwritten narration of Mr. Bernardo. I would have suggested na tanggalin niya and then order an investigation. Otherwise, how can you insulate the President kung courtesy resignation? But you know, that's water under the bridge because it did not happen, Mr. President. And I will still strongly suggest that an investigation is in order.